Yeah. Came in 17. Damn.
Hi folks, Dutchy here from Dutchy Cooking. Today we're going to be making a one pan breakfast skillet. Got some beautiful ingredients. We're using the wood fired oven. We've got a nice fire going. We've got some cast iron. So we've got our fire going. All we're going to do now is push it to one side, get the cast iron in and start getting it warmed up. For that we're going to use our heat deflector. So into our skillet we've put half a red pepper, half a white onion, about 2 salad potatoes that I've chopped up. It's all roughly the same dice. We'll get it in the oven. So our potatoes, onions and peppers have had about 5 minutes. We'll just pull them forward and we'll give them a stir. As you can see, they're starting to soften down now. We'll get them back in. What we're going to do now so we can build some heat up in the oven is we're simply going to pop our door in. So our breakfast dish now has had another 5 minutes. We'll just get the cover off and we'll have a look. As you can see now it's starting to take on some colour. Just give it a nice stir. Just going to test these potatoes. Just a couple more minutes. We'll bang that back in. Our potato mix has had a couple more minutes. What we're going to do is get the door off. Get them out. And now we've got about 3/4 of a cup of leftover ham. What we're going to do is pop this in, mix it round. So into our potato mix. Just combine these all in. Now we'll go back in for a couple more minutes just to warm this ham through. Now it should be warmed through. What we do, we get it out. Then I'm going to start adding some seasonings. Some black pepper. Rock salt, some of my favourite Liam Perrin's original Worcestershire sauce. And why do I like using Worcestershire sauce? It's because I can say it. Let's give them a good mix in. Now it's time to add some eggs, 2 eggs. Oh, broke that yolk. Back in to cook these eggs. The eggs have had about 5 minutes, so we'll open up and have a look. I think we'll call them done. I'll just go in and test these eggs. So this is Dutchy's £1 breakfast skillet.
So what? Not bad either.